Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Nelsie Ancheta, 32 years old, single mother for two kids. One girl, 12 years old, and one boy, 11 years old. I have been working in Hong Kong for 1 year and 3 months, year of 2009 and 2021. My duties and responsibilities are taken to elders and 60 years old and 70 years old, and taking care two cats. And I do laundry and house cleaning, ironing clothes, and also cooking. And also I work in Qatar for 2 years and 1 month. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of two kids, 5 years old boy and 3 years old girl, and one newborn baby boy, and taking care two pets. Two cats. I do laundry, ironing, cooking, and cleaning, which help me develop strong time management and multitasking abilities. I'm reliable and fast learner, and I'm very eager to contribute to my skill to your family to help create comfortable and well-run home. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.